This property is located on a vast 4,000 square meter lot in a serene natural environment. The main house, called the Inspiration Container House, has got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and open plan living. As you step into the main house, you'll immediately notice the seamless blend of industrial aesthetics and Costa Rica's natural elements. The open living area is brightly lit, featuring wood accents and has a small garden atrium. The living area includes a comfortable sectional couch, a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and display shelves for house accessories. The integrated kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, under-the-counter storage cabinets, and an impressive live-edge solid wood dining table. Opposite the kitchen is a spacious and well-lit home office. Off the living area is the master bedroom, nicely furnished with a king-sized bed and a walkout sliding door for future expansion. The walkout sliding doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to nature. Joining the master bedroom is a spacious master bathroom with a walk-in curtain shower cubicle, wall accents, and a sink with under-the-sink storage. The second bedroom is a compact space fitted with built-in cubicle cabinets, a comfortable bed, and a vertical window to usher in more natural light. The third bedroom features a simple double bed with storage shelves and high-level slit window to maintain privacy. Would you buy this amazing container home for the listing price of $600,000 US? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You're encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.